Making your video go viral is the holy grail of video marketing. Why? Because by going viral, you can reach thousands of customers without spending a dime in media placement. In fact, 54% of consumers want to see more video content. And according to an independent study, 73% of US adults use YouTube daily. That is a huge market opportunity. In this short video, you will learn 5 tips to help you go from producing just another B2B video to viral success. Tip 1. Don't sacrifice clarity for keywords. Experts suggest your description should read naturally with no more than 4 keywords, so stay focused. Tip 2. Keep it short and sweet. Get to the point. 30% of viewers stop watching a video after 30 seconds, so try to engage your audience at the start of the video and be succinct. Tip 3. Pay attention to the important metrics. We'd suggest these 3. Watch time. Watch time is the #1 ranking factor on YouTube. Why? Because watch time is the best indicator that your videos feature engaging content. Average view duration. If your video has a low average view duration, it's not meeting your viewers' expectations, and you should revisit your content. Make sure viewers are getting the content they expect from the headline, description, and thumbnail. Impression click-through rate. Your impression click-through rate shows you how often viewers interact with your video after seeing it and shows you the audience most likely to watch it. Tip 4. Don't forget your CTA. Calls to action, or CTAs, are essential psychological triggers that tell your audience what to do next. If you want to increase conversions, put time into understanding which CTAs convert best. Tip 5. Enhance video thumbnails and titles. First impressions count. Video thumbnails are a vital aspect of having your video watched, since they are usually the first thing people see in a video. On average, a clean, high-contrast, and high-resolution thumbnail increases clicks by 21%. Need help applying these tips to your B2B video marketing strategy? Give us a call today and we can help you create your next viral B2B video.